from YouTube, you can come to Alibaba so you can see the videos about Alibaba, about the 3D videos. Hello ZH, welcome ZH to our live stream. Hello everyone, hello. So today we have this topic is talk about the how to remove the odor of the tyre pyrolysis oil. According to this equipment, I would like to introduce our equipment. And by the way, this is stemming from doing holding company. Our company already have the 13 years experience, and this is our company introduced the book. This is introduced book, and according to this book, you will know more, like the environmental protection system, like the odor removal system, and also for our equipment. And by the way, we have our own technical team. We have our sales team, after sales team, and also for installation team. So you don't need to worry about the installation, and you don't need to worry about the after sales service. So if you choose doing company, you will get a better service in this world, and also you will get a lot of information from us. And we have a lot of the company, we have a lot of foreigners from over the world. Like we have the customers from the Mexico, Singapore, Kazakhstan, and also for India. We have a lot of the people like this. And welcome our YouTube friends, welcome, hello. If you guys want to know more about our equipment, you can just put your email or your WhatsApp numbers on the screen. Just tap the screen. Alright, thanks for everyone. Thank you for sending me likes here. So today about this, according to this topic, you will be know our equipment, a very special equipment, and this is our technical made it from our company. And also we have the engine, and also for this equipment you will remove some odor smell. You will be remove some odor. You will be remove some bad smell here. Alright, welcome new friends, welcome old friends. Thanks for coming to our live stream. So this time, how to remove the odor removal system, guys. You know, for example, our raw materials is the with the tyres and with the plastic, and also for some oil sludge, coal tar, like we have a lot of the raw materials. For different raw materials, the final products was different. Like with the tyres, the final products is the steel, and also for the carbon black, and also for pyrolysis oil. And also for other things like with the plastic, they didn't have the steel inside, right? So for different raw materials, they have different the final products. Alright, so let me just try to introduce our equipment first, and then according to the odor removal system, I will introduce that part for you very carefully, very detailedly. So hope you guys will be know more about this equipment. Welcome new friends, welcome old friends. Thanks for coming to our live stream. So how to remove the odor of the pyrolysis oil? As we all know, the tyre pyrolysis oil has been strong odor, and also because of this characteristics of the tyres. So how to remove the odor tyre pyrolysis oils? I will recommend you buy our distillation machine. This distillation machine can refine the tyre pyrolysis oil into the diesel. When the tyre pyrolysis is turned into the diesel, it's meaning the odor and impurities are removed, and the distillation machine can refine with the engineer oils, and with the lubricating oils, with the motor oils, crude oils, and the plastic pyrolysis oil into the diesel. Hi new friends, welcome to our live stream. Welcome everyone, welcome. So that is why we can remove this one. If you want to remove the odor from the pyrolysis oil, you supposed to choose our distillation machine from our equipment. First, I need to introduce our bathtub pyrolysis machine. So maybe Lighting will know how to become the tyres into the pyrolysis oil. And according to this situation, if you have any question, just put your question into the comment area. And also for our YouTube friends, if you do have any question, just put your question into the comment area. Maybe some information I cannot say more in this live stream, but you can connect with our customer service. And also you can just leave your message or your email to our sales manager. I think they will give you the best suggestion here. According to these 3D videos, first I will introduce how did we become the wasted tyres into the tyre pyrolysis oil. Alright, so at the beginning, you will see for different the machine we have the different capacity. Like for the bathtub pyrolysis machine, we have the 15 tons, we have the 12 tons, we have the 10 tons and 5 tons, 2 tons, 1 tons, 5 kg per day, and 1 kg per day. So we have different capacity. And today, this is an example for 12 tons pyrolysis machine. Hello all my new friends, welcome to our live stream. This is Demi from Doing Holding Company. Our company is product some environmental equipment, just help the people, help the government to deal with some wasted things, like with the tires, with the plastic, like those kind of things. And right now I just introduced this whole processing line about our equipment. You will see for the pyrolysis plant, they separate two parts. First is the pyro is meaning heat, and the lysis is meaning breakdown. Pyrolysis is a thermochemical reaction which involves the molecules breaking down of the large molecules into the small molecules into the presence of heat. With the tyres or with the plastic pyrolysis plant is a technical which heats the wasted tyres or plastic is the sealed reactor. Sealed reactor vessels to be pyrolyzed into the oil gas, into the uncondensable gas and the carbon black. For tyres also have the steel wires. The oil gas then goes through the water circulating cooling system to be cooling down the oils, which is the good heating fuel used into industry. The uncondensable gas is usually recycled to heat the reactor or collected for the other heating use. Hi new friends, hello, welcome KY, welcome everyone to our live stream. This is Demi from Doing Holding Company. Right now I just introduced our company's the bathtub pyrolysis machine. Alright, so for the carbon black could be made the pale for the burning and heating just like a coal, or refining for making a new rubber products. Steel wire can be sold to the recycle station or the steel mill for remelting. So this is the bathtub pyrolysis machine using for. And right now, let me just start to introduce this part for you. This 3D video here, okay? This is the whole processing line. You will check. They separate two parts. First part is the pyrolysis part. The second part is the cooling part. So after heat this reactor, after we heat this with the tyres, they supposed to become the pyrolysis gas or the oil gas. First, we're using the auto feeding machine. This is a full automatic welding machine. This one we just put the waste tyre into here. we just put the waste tyre into this reactor. And this auto feeding machine, they have the 15 tons pressure. They have the 15 tons pressure, and for this pressure, they will using the space very well and try to make more raw materials into this reactor. And then we will close the door. This door we're using the revent to connect with the reactor. Just make sure it's easy to remove it out, and when the temperature gets high, the graphite packing will become big and large. This is the reactor here. We're using the burner to heat this reactor. For the steel plate, we can use in the different materials like Q245R, like 3245R, like the 310 stainless, 310, 306, 304, 316. So this is for the raw materials here. Hello new friends, hello, welcome to doing the live stream. This is the waste tyres. This one is using for heat the reactor, try to make this waste tyres into the oil gas. And after the heating part, it will go into the cooling part. The oil gas will go from this. Okay, from this, and we'll go into the buffer tank. This tank is just to reduce the oil gas speed, and then they will go into the cooling part. So for the cooling part, we separate 4 cooling systems, and we have the 7 cooling part. Just try to make the oil gas will be cooling very well, and just increase the oil yield from this cooling part. Hi guys, right now I just introduced how did we become the waste tyres into the waste tyre oils, the pyrolysis oils. After we introduce this process, and then we will introduce the odor removal system and also for the distillation system. This is the oil water separator. Also is a safety device. On the top is the oils, on the bottom is the waters. So just the oil gas from here will be cleaned very well, and then we'll go into the big oil tank here. This is a horizontal condenser. This is a big oil tank here. In the horizontal condenser, we will cooling the 95% of the oils. After that, we will have the cooling tower. This is the last cooling system, and also this system will increase the oil yield. Try to make the first oil will be cooling to here. And this is our odor removal system. Just try to remove some bad smell gas from the this system, like the H2S, NO smell, CO smell, and SO smell. You will see First, we have the buffer tank. This one also reduce the tail gas speed. And then we will go into the spray towers. This one we will have some chemical things like the uh, chemical will be sprayed from the water into here. So after the spray waters, the tail gas will be removed the H2S, like the bad smell. And this is the last part. This is a water C. So the odor removal system we combine from the buffer tank, the spray towers, and also for the water C here. This is a tail gas will be go back to the reactor as a fuel to heat this reactor. Also here we get the tail gas burners. This is a smoke because they have some non-condensable gas will be go into the aires. So we have the spray towers. This tower they have some catalyst here. Just try to remove the bad smell again. And also different the countries they have the different policy. According to different policy, they will have some different example and different the rulers. So we need to follow the rulers. That is why we need to make sure we don't have any pollution about the environment. This is a water box just cooling the smoke. This is a vacuum device. This is a very important part. The vacuum device will remove the oil gas from the reactor and will be push this oil gas into the horizontal condenser. And also for this reactor, you can cooling this reactor right first. So vacuum device they have two important things. The first one is to keep the balanced pressure from the reactor, and the second one is be first cooling the reactor. So this is also is a safety device. This is the extra tail gas. Extra tail gas will be burning into the burning room. Because we have, if you have a 6-hole processing line, this supposed to be have the uncondensable gas cannot be heat, so we can heat it in the burning room. This is the vent. Just try to using the electric machinery. Just pull out the vent from the bottom until the top. Just try to make sure the reactor will be cooling very fast. This is the carbon black discharging hole. So for the reactor, they have the 3 different kind of way to discharge the carbon black. First, we can discharge the carbon black from the front, like the feeding door. We can discharge the carbon black from here. Second, we can discharge the carbon black from the side hole, like the side sludge. And also third, we can discharge the carbon black from the back, just using the back discharging method. So they have 3 methods. If you can choose any one you need. This is the carbon black transfer system. This one we will collect some carbon black using the wind to transfer it. Just try to make the efficiency more high and also try to make this carbon black will be work very well. So for the carbon black, we always using for to make it to burning or heating it. Carbon black could be made in the pyrolysis for the burning and the heating, just like a coal or refining making a new rubber products. For this whole processing line, we just show you this carbon black. We can using it to after grading, we can using it for the painting things, and also after the squeezing, also after the briquetting, just make it into the bowl, just like a coal to heat something. Hi, new friends. Hello, BC. Welcome to our live stream, BC. How are you today? All my new friends or friends, if you're first time in our live stream, please double tap the screen, send me more likes. So next time you can find me without any looking. Alright? And this is the last one step. This step we just show you how to pull out the steel, because we put the whole tyres into the reactor directly without any previous steel. So we can just pull out the steel from this reactor here. This is the pull the steel machines. Hello, new friends. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And also, everyone, if you're first time in my live stream, please click the follow button. So next time you can find me here. This is the last step. We just pull out all the oils into the big tank. Alright, guys. Right now, did you know how did we get the pyrolysis oils from the wasted tyres? For this situation, do you still have any question, honey? For this situation, do you guys still have any question? If no question, I suppose we introduce our distillation machine right now. So let you guys will be know how did we become the waste oils into the diesels. The odor of the pyrolysis oil, how did we remove it? Alright, so if you guys don't have any question about our batch type pyrolysis machine, we will finish this live stream right now. No. We just finished these 3D videos right now, okay? Sample. Hi, Oliver. How are you today? Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live stream. Yes, we have some sample. It's right here. These 3D videos. Also, if you want to get some samples, you can connect with our customer service. They will send you the real situation, real the videos for you. Oh, actually, that is our customers' factory. What I'm talking. Hi, Michelle. Welcome, Michelle, to our live stream. And guys, okay, right now I will start to introduce the waste oil about the distillation plant, and also remove the odor of the pyrolysis oil. Just make sure we remove the odor things from the pyrolysis. Alright, right now let me just introduce our distillation machine here. Thanks, Michelle. Thanks for your likes, honey. Thanks for your likes. Alright, guys. Right now, can you see this is our old design for the distillation machine. For this machine, we will introduce the whole processing line from different parts. And why we call this machine is our old design, because we have the new design. Right, and later I will introduce these three parts about the old design and new design, the difference between these two parts, alright? And hello our YouTube friends, welcome guys. If you are interested about the doing company equipment, you can leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email to our customer service. They are waiting for you. Also, I'm waiting for you here right now. Just say hi to Danny, alright? Just say hi to Danny. Okay, so for how to remove the odor of the pyrolysis oil. First, we already know how did we get the pyrolysis oil, right? And also for the distillation machine, we can refine the waste engineer oil, with the laboratory cutting oils, with the motor oils, and also for some crude oils or the plastic pyrolysis oils into the diesel. And also the refined diesel is usually light yellow and can be using into the burners, generators, engines, trucks, engineering vessels, and also for our other equipments. So for this kind of the situation, we can using to our distillation machine. And also this technology processing include the distillation and also include the cooling part, and also for the decolorization system. So from this one, let me just introduce the whole processing. And also the last part, we have the filtration. Let me just introduce this part for you. I'm trying to open this video right now, alright? So for our distillation machine, also we can using the different raw materials with the engineer oils, with the pyrolysis oil, also for the with the plastic oils. But also fun products we can get the diesels and also for some asphalt. That is a final products. Hello new friends, hello, welcome new friends to our live stream. Okay, let me introduce this 3D video here first. This is our vertical reactor. Some people maybe know the distillation machine before they have the horizontal reactor, right? But if you choose the horizontal reactor, that will be hard to discharge the asphalt, because as we all know, the asphalt is when the temperature is very hot, they look like a liquid, but when the temperature become very low, they are solid. So that is according to the asphalt steel. So we just choose the vertical condenser. This is our water cooling circulation system. This water cooling circulation system will be cooling the oil gas into the diesels here. But after the coolings, they already get the diesels by the colors, and also they have some wax into the reactor, into the oils. For the diesels, they have some wax, so we need to have a method to remove the wax here first, and then we just try to remove the bad smell, remove the colors into a good colors. This also is our the color and the odor system. Just is today's topic. This is the purification system. They have the white clay purification and also for the filtration system. Big oil tank. This is our desiccing system. Just try to remove some desiccing from our smoke. Also for some tail gas, try to remove those kind of things. Okay, so first we just try to put our first heating system. And by the way, this is oil. This is a kind of oil, and you can use it for a long time. You don't need to discharge it. You don't need to change it, and also you don't need to refill it, because this oil we don't have any waste. We can using it for a long time. This also is a fast cooling system. Like we can save the time to heat the reactor. This is a high tank. This is a low tank. So first we will remove the pump, using the pump to pull these fast cooling oils into the reactor. Also for the purification system. Like this first heating system, we always using into two parts. First is our vertical condenser reactor. This is a vertical reactor. Second, we can use it into the purification system, like the wet clay system. You can see we have a pump. We have a pump like a circle pump, like a circle pump. We have a lot those kind of pump, and we can just pull into the oils into the pump, because we will connect the oils with outside the waters, just like our before the cooling part. The oils will have a large contact with the crude oils or the engineer oils. They will reduce the heating time. So that is why we call this part is the first heating system. And then we will put these oils into the purification system. It's right here. Also, we call it wet clay system. This is our vertical condenser. You will see, before we using the burners to heat this reactor, we just try to make this first heating system into this whole reactor. Just save the heating time, save some fuel oils as well. This one we call it the oil. We call it oil gas separator. Also, it's a safety device. So the water cooling circulation process, before we start to heat this reactor, we need to put the waters into the cooling part. Also, this is the vertical condenser. Actually this is a vertical reactor. And then we just put the first cooling oils from the bottom and to the top. This is a recycling water. Oh, this is a recycling oils. Sorry guys. We heat this reactor. We can using the burners. Also, we can using some pyrolysis oils, or with using some diesels to heat this reactor. This is our vertical condenser. Also, this is a part we will cooling some oils here. And this is a big oil tank. This is a horizontal condenser. This is a condenser will be cooling some oils here as well, become the oil gas into the diesels. Also will go into the big oil tank. This is a water state. This is a safety device because after we cooling the oil gas, they already become the diesel, right? After they become the diesels, they have the water state here. Just have the safety device just prevent the oil gas will be go back to the cooling part and go back to the reactor. And also after this water state, they only have the tail gas. The tail gas will be after the water state, they will go into the reactor as a fuel oils to heat this reactor. Actually, they go into the reactor bottom. See, this is a tail gas. This is a purification process. And then we make the oil gas into the oils. Then we're using the pump to pull it into this system. This one we have some alkali. Alkali just remove some wax from the oils, and also we remove some other things from the oils as well. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. If you guys do have any question about our equipments, about the doings equipments, you can just put your question into the comment area. I will help you guys know more about our equipments, alright? So this is a one will remove some alkali, and we need to put the 98% alkali. So that is a different part between the new design about the distillation machine, because in some countries it's very hard to buy the alkali, also for other things. But for the new designs, they don't have this situation have to image, and they just buy the catalyst from our company, and they will using for the distillation. So we need to stir the oils with the alkali like 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, we need to make it half an hour to stop it. After half an hour, we need to using a pump to put these oils into the other tank. Yeah, by the way, the very important things for the alkali system, they need to using the stainless, because if you using other things, this will be have a hurt with the reactor, have a hurt with the tank. Hi Bruno, welcome Bruno to our live stream. How are you today, Bruno? How are you? If you can give me a like, I will appreciate it. And then we will go into the alkali tank. This is a big tank, just be mixed with the acid with the alkali. Acid will be alkali will be mixed with. We need to stir it into 1 hour or 2 hours. After that, we will using a pump to pull it into the purification system. This one just remove some bad colors. Like we can make the brown colors into the light yellow colors. Just try to make the oils look very nice. So we will put some white clay in this part. And also we need to stir it. Acid and alkali. Alkali. Sorry, something wrong about this video. Suddenly they stop it. Just give me 1 second. So we need to stir it. We need to add the white clay mixture with the oils. Actually mixture with the diesels. After we mix it, we stir it. Just try to bring some bad colors out, and then after this purification tank, we will go into the filter plate. It's right here. We will use the filter plate to squeeze the oils, try to separate the white clay and the diesel. This is a filter plate. We always squeeze it and just make the clean oils will be flow down, and the white clean will be into this plate and plate in the middle here. And also this is the white. This is the filter bags. Will be remove the white clean 1 more time. Just make sure the diesels without the white clean, and we can use it. We can sell it in a high price here. And then the diesels will go into the big tank. These diesels we can using for the big truck, big cargos, and also for other things, for other system. So that is why we make the clean diesels here. That is the reasons. And also for some per countries, they always using the diesels that are very expensive. If they choose our equipments, just become some with the tyres, with the engineers, with the engineer oils, and with the pyrolysis oils into a clean diesels, they will be earn a lot of money, and the benefit you will see it every day. Hi, New V in W, welcome to our live stream. Everyone, do you still have any question about this equipment? If no question, let me continue introduce our new design about the pyrolysis plant. About the distillation machines, just try to make the distillation oils into the diesels. Hello, new friends. Hello, PG. Welcome, PG. Welcome, MD. Welcome, new friends. Okay, right now let me show you our new designs about the distillation machine here. So this is our new designs about the distillation. I know you guys supposed to be have one question. Why you have these two designs? Just now I already told you the reason, because in some country that is very hard to buy some acid, and also for it's very hard to buy some acrylic. So that is why we make the new design. And also this new design you can using for the pyrolysis oil as well. And also they will using very well. Also it's very easily. You can make the span the reactor very long time. Oh, by the way, for the vertical condenser, we cannot to span the reactor. This is our first heating system. First heating system is only using for the distillation machine. It's using a kind of the circulating heat medium combined with the fuel heating system for distillation. This way is not only could save the heating fuel, also can speed up the distillation process, thus to save the time. So that is why we choose the first heating system here. Open a lot of the valves. If you want to buy this machine, or if you want to know more about this machine, you can connect with our sales manager. They will give you a good advice about this equipment. First, we need to prepare the first heating system. And also the first heating system, we need to make it into the circle. Like we use it into the vertical condenser, and also for the vertical reactor purification system. And for the new designs, we also use it for the catalysis. This is our vertical condenser, vertical reactor. Whoa. Vertical reactor also can make this reactor cannot be spun, cannot be turned. First, we need to start this recycle first heating system, and then we just using the burner to heat this recycling oils, the first heating system. Just try to make the temperature very high, and we can save the heating fuel and also save the heating time. This is our horizontal condenser. This is our cooling system. For this whole processing line, we're using the circulating water cooling. You will see this is a reactor. This is the first heating system. So when the temperature reached to 215, we need to make this temperature into 1 hour. Like in this 1 hour, the 215 will be keep it. And also the oils, the with the engineer oils or the with the pyrolysis oil will become 215 as well. This is our catalysis system. Welcome new friends. Thanks for coming to our live stream. If you guys do have any question, just put your question into the comment area. I'm very happy can help you to solve some problem. So when the temperature reaches to 219, we will start to open the burners. And also these burners using the indirect to heat this reactor, like the fires is not connect with this reactor. This is our horizontal condenser. Just try to cooling this oil here. And also we will go into the oil tank, the big oil tank. And this is the vertical reactor. This is a catalyst. So for our company, we have the catalyst A and catalyst B. This is two different catalysts. And also the oil gas from here, they will become the diesels as well. And the oil gas will go into the horizontal system, the cooling system, just become the diesel. And the colors of the diesel directly produced from the standard distillation system is the brown yellow. The purification system can make the filter purification for the diesels, thus to get light yellow odor. So that is how did we remove the odor from the pyrolysis oil. The main topic is the test the tyre pyrolysis, the deodoration system with the oil distillation machine, tyre pyrolysis oil to diesel refining plant. So this is our new design. You will see this is a we need to stir this wet clean and stir the oils together into half an hour, at least half an hour. After half an hour, we need to make sure the glasses without the water or without other things. We need to pull out the oils into the filter plate. This is a filter plate. When we see these glasses without oil come out, we need to stop to pull the oils into there. And then we're using the recycle oil pump. When open the filter switch, and we can do this here. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. If you guys do have any question, just put your question into the comment area. And today we just talk about the purification system, the distillation system. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. If you guys do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. And this one, after we pull out this reactor and the oil, the big oil box, and this is the filter bags again.
Hey, welcome back to the live. This is Oliver. Oh, sorry about the mask. Hey everyone, welcome to Huananjun Holdings. This is Oliver from Huananjun Holdings. If this is your first time to come to the live, right now you guys can give me a follow so that next time we do live stream you'll be noticed. Or if you haven't followed this live right now, click the upper left button to give me the follow. Next time we do live stream you'll be noticed. And if there's anything that interests you, you can easily put your question in the comment area, which I can give you more detailed information about it. So right now, just put your question in the comment, all right, ladies and gentlemen. And before I ending today's, oh, what happened with the video here? Hold a second. Yeah, it is back. All right. By the way, our company is located in Henan Province, China. So that's our factory. For our factory, we do have two factories in total. The amount it is about 40,000 square meters, which is a really large one with more than 200 workers producing about all the equipment here. So if you're interested about all these so right now type your question in the comment. Our assistant will reach you really soon to share more detailed information about this whole line, about this whole equipment. I mean, if you need single of the equipment or if you need the whole line, you can all comment down below. We can provide you the best service, no matter for the consult service or the after sales service or this customized design. We can all give you that. So if you do need our help right now, directly put your question in the comment. And by the way, for our equipment, we do have 1 year warranty, which means in 1 year, if there's anything wrong with about the equipment, reach to us, like by type your name, by shooting the video, by take the picture. Our assistant and our engineers team can give you the best solutions in 24 hours, which is in 1 day, which will not affect your business at all. So right now, if you're interested about our company, about our this whole line, about our single equipment, hi, Emmy, welcome to the live. This is Oliver from Huananjun Holdings. And for today's live, if there's no further question, our live will be end in less than 1 minute. And especially if you are the viewer that from YouTube, you want to check about all the single materials, single equipments, or for the whole line, put your question in the comment, all right? If there's no further question, I believe that will be all for today's live. Wish you guys can have a really wonderful Wednesday. And before I ending this live, ladies and gentlemen, madam and monsieur, give me the follow. Give me the follow so that next time when I do a live stream will be noticed. And for the next time, there will be a really beautiful girl showing you about this whole production line, about all the equipment, like the material, like the capacity, like all of it. All right. So if you didn't follow about our live stream right now, give me a follow. All right. So that will be all for today's live. Wish you guys can have a really wonderful Wednesday. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. And also, if you are the viewer from YouTube, I have already pinned our WhatsApp number and our email address at the bottom. So if you do need our equipment for all of things, you can subscribe about our channel. And for the next live stream, it will be start really soon. And I wish I can see you guys again next time at the next live. So ladies and gentlemen, wish you guys can have a really wonderful Wednesday. This is Oliver from Huananjun Holdings. So bye bye.